Welcome to The Staff Speaks. I'd like to begin by talking to you about the series and its goals. The Staff Speaks aims to demystify music theory, starting with the basics of the staff system, notes, and pitch. Understanding these elements is crucial for reading, writing, and performing music. This course lays a foundation for more advanced topics in future volumes. Upon completing the series, you will have received a comprehensive education in music theory, from the staff system to advanced concepts such as form and analysis and Schenkerian analysis. This series aspires to be a thorough and impactful resource on music theory. During my time as a professor at a state school, I was often concerned by the level of music theory knowledge held by music students. I realized that the current method of teaching music simply wasn't sufficient. Students needed more detailed and complete information to fully grasp music theory. College courses often exacerbated the issue, as they naturally demand that students keep up or fall behind. Consequently, many students graduated without a real understanding of music theory. This series is inspired by my teaching experience and my desire to create a different, and hopefully better, way to learn and understand music theory. A method that is comprehensive, integrated, and doesn't skip steps along the way. To achieve this, I needed to cater to both beginners and advanced students. Everyone has something to gain from this series, and even seasoned musicians will gain a new appreciation for music theory and how it can be incorporated into their overall musicianship.